Hey, Hyde Park, we almost forgot to show you how to schedule a meeting. Whoops, I forgot to show you. All right, scheduling a meeting in Google Meet is a little different. We don't use our group-wise calendar. We're gonna go into our Google Calendar. So if you're not familiar with how to access that, you just click on the waffle, go right here to Calendar. You all already have a Google Calendar with your CPS address. You can see the different times I've shared this already today. So all you do is select your day, like let's say you're gonna do one on Monday at 11 a.m. So as soon as you click that, it already populates a little tile for you to schedule the meeting. And you can schedule everything from right here. I like to click more options. Give it a name. Right here, you can add the Google meeting. So Hangout, it says Hangouts Meet because they're merging the tools. But then if you look down here, if you need to send the join information via GroupWise, if you just copy that information from the meeting, it won't include the phone number. So I have been telling people to go ahead and highlight both and copy that. And then you'll just paste that into your email or whatever it is you're sending. So copy and paste that meeting information. This one copies over from the calendar in a nice readable way. But make sure you schedule in your Google Calendar. Did I lose it? No, here it is. If you wanted to add people directly from here, I could add them from here. And then I schedule this in my calendar. So again, if I am sending this for a meeting in the future, then I would do it from Google Calendar. It will send them an invite, but please don't be confused. This is not going on your GroupWise calendar. This is just on your Google Calendar. But if you need the information, you can see here that if you hit copy there, it's only going to copy just the URL. And you really want people to have that full information. So if you're going to share that meeting with them, then I would open up that meeting and copy it from here. But that's it. That's scheduling a meeting. It's that easy. If you can use a Google Calendar, then you can schedule a meeting on Google Meet. Anything to add on that, Jessica?
No, but thank you for adding that. That's useful.
All right, good. So that was a very, very quick take on how to schedule your meeting. All right, bye.
Thank you, Rosemary. You're awesome.
Thanks, bye.